When you like to print on transfer paper to make cushions, towels, t-shirts and more, some printers have that option but some don't. This tutorial shows you how to quickly flip any JPEG or PNG image for free. Go to befunky.com. Click on Photo Editor. On the next screen, click Upload and choose My Computer or wherever the file you want to flip can be found. And then find your file and open it. I've chosen one of our art prints of a dragonfly. It has some dictionary-style text and it would be weird if that text would appear mirrored on any of my transferred artwork. On your left side there's a whole bunch of tools. Click Rotate. Then click Flip and click the check mark. On the top, click Save. Click My Computer or wherever you like to save your image and a small options screen appears. Click JPEG or PNG as you like. I suggest to change the quality all the way up to 100. You can also change the file name if you like, so you can easily find it back on your computer. Click Save and that is it, my friends. Super easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more crafting related tutorials, you're most welcome to subscribe. See you next time, bye! We're giving these crafting printables away to those who subscribe to our newsletter. Here's how. Click on the subscribe link below, click on the button I want this now and fill in your information. When you've done that, simply click Submit. You'll receive an email with a confirmation link. Click that link and moments later you'll receive another email with a download link for your freebies.